Okay, put her tongue. It gets exploded. Go wash out your tongue, you stupid. Okay, we're going in the bathroom. Okay, she's going in the bathroom. But this is what happened. She was just sitting here, and the pen broke open. That was the pen. Let's see if she'll come out to talk. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh. Okay. You can't see her because the sink is behind the door, and you just saw the toilet. You okay?
Yeah, I'm dandy and I'm perfect. I always have the taste of ink in my mouth.
Does it taste good?
What the fuck do you think, Sherlock Holmes?